Hi everyone, my name is Cassandra and welcome back yet to another video on learning. So today I want to teach you all the importance of using language devices in your writing. So what is a language device? Well, today we're going to learn emotional language devices. So emotional language or emotive language is using emotion in your writing. So this simple exercise can be done with your child, or if you're wanting to brainstorm, what types of emotive language you already have in your word bank, then this is a really simple way to help you explore the different types of emotions and feelings and words and adjectives that are related to expressing how you feel. In this exercise, I've just got positive and negative on a blank piece of paper like so, and I would get all the words that are positive associated and also the negative words that are associated with the same meaning to help them understand, what the difference is. This is a really great exercise for primary school level students to help make sure that they are developing the skills in how to express themselves through their characters, through a writing piece, through a previous account, trying to write an anecdote of a past experience, or if they're writing a narrative, it doesn't matter. Emotive language is really powerful, important to understand and know how to use it, even in primary school. So a simple method that you can implement is by helping them understand the differences between positive and negative language. Getting them to remember an emotion when you apply that to an experience that had happened to them can help them recount of what they've gone through. The next activity would be for them to use those words in their writing. What we're doing here is we're building up our word bank of emotions, seeing them use these words when they're speaking. If they say it, they should spell it. And if they're using it to explain how they're feeling in a situation, it's really important for them to become accustomed to using that word when they're writing. They could be, I am exhausted. I am feeling so irritated. They may say this word, but can they write it and spell it? Do they know when to use it in their writing? If they remember what they've felt in a previous experience, using those emotional words when they're writing will change the writing piece overall. I can guarantee you, because I've seen students go from using, no emotion in their writing to actually writing with emotion, and then seeing their writing just transform exponentially. You can really tell when a writing piece has implemented this strategy of using emotional language, emotional tones, and it really shows when they're trying to explain a character or when they're trying to bring a sense of connection and meaning to a story.